Hi, I'm Tamiera Ware, and I'm a licensed clinical social worker with Norton Children's Medical Associates in Frankfort and Shelbyville. Well, I'm a Louisville native, so I've born and raised here. I went to the University of Louisville for my bachelor's and master's degrees in social work. And I'm kind of a Jane of all trades. Before that, I went to school for baking and pastry arts. So I've done a little bit of everything from selling lawn mowers to pet training to retail work. So I have a lot of life experience in that way. Most recently, I spent 6 years in the community mental health setting in a rural community. As a social worker, I can help people in a lot of different ways. Instead of just physical health issues, I can help with access to resources. I can help with mental health issues, family issues, school issues. I can help bridge all those gaps in care so that everybody can live their best life. For fun, I love to cook. Obviously, there's a part of that pastime still there. I have a 4-year-old son. I like to play. I love dogs. I love nature and exploring and traveling as I'm able.